What year is this Thunderbird? I've never been a Thunderbird guy. You? The Nova. Cutlass.
That'd be cool. I'll be holding us up. Alright.
They got a lot of old schools. Got a Cadillac. Yeah, man, we at XTC Strip Club. Biggest strip club in Dallas. Best strip club in Dallas. But, man, y'all can come check out the club, too. It's open all the time. We out here, man. It's going down. Oh, let me catch everybody leaving. Right here. Get it.
Oh, he dropped it. He missed it.
We back. I'm at XTC. Yeah, it's the first time I ever come to X at fucking, what, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock in the afternoon. If y'all want to catch your boy at X, you got to come around between 2 and 4 in the morning. You might catch your boy there. But right now, man, I just passing by and I seen all these cars. So I know something's jumping at X. X is never this packed, not in the daytime. Yeah, I know y'all hearing about all the stories of people been getting shot and, oh, they're giving out trophies. I guess the winner. Let's go see what's jumping at X. But yeah, man, let me give y'all some footage, some car footage. I know a lot of y'all come from the 32 gang, so y'all like that car shit. So let me see what's jumping over here. They're giving out trophies. Yeah, that's what they're doing over here. But you got a pretty big crowd out here. Want to walk that way? Through there? Yeah, let me see what kind of car. Look like they got some old schools. It's Amigos Car Club. Let me tell y'all something, man. I can feel the difference on the heat, y'all. I just came from Houston. Man, it was like, felt good at night. It was barely like 97. Over here, it's already in the hundreds, right? Yeah. Man, I feel that heat. I think it's over already, huh?
All right, award for our best show. Going to Ray with work.
Got the 64 Impala. This one's clean. How do you think this painted?
Yes, sir.
Oh, we got Stewart's roasted corn on the cob. That's another on the Dayton's. On some Dayton's with the bow tires, boy. Yeah, we probably caught the last interview, y'all. Hey, but at least I got some footage for y'all. And I ain't getting copyrighted. There's nobody playing music. That's the first. Usually everybody's jamming. What year is this Chevy right here? 60. Maybe early 70s. Oh, I don't know. I'm not really sure. With the T-tops. Oh, he did all this custom. Oh, let me see. Oh, damn. Monte Carlo. Yeah, let me tell you, man, it's hot out here. Think they were out here early?
I didn't even see them in the morning.
You had passed by here? Got all them Impalas. If I had to choose one out of these old schools, I would. Let me see. I might go with this first one right here. Yep, on this line. Well, there's only 2 on this line. There's 3. And that red one go hard too. On the gold D's. You know what? I might take that. Man. This is all a new motor, right? What kind of motor is this, you know? Is it? All white guts. Oh yeah, this one's nice. I bet he's got some money in this car right here. Even the paint's nice. Like a what? Like an orange? I see the flakes, y'all. Oh yeah, right here. Look, get them flakes hidden. Pay attention to the details. This one. Oh, what is this? This is a. Was that a turbo kit? What is this right here? Just intake. The interior is nice too. What up, boy? How long y'all been out here? For real?
Yeah.
I just came back from Houston. I seen all the cars like, damn, what's going on? What's up, homie? You on the vlog. Tell them what's up, man. We out here.
Yeah, boy Gabriel G, man, straight out of Dallas, Revolution Radio. Chilling out my boy Frankie, man, right here. XT did an autism car show, man. My boys, my Familia Rollers Only car club right here, man. So, you know how we doing it. Sunday fun day, man.
Already, man.
Yeah. Y'all coming back from Houston?
Yeah, I just came back from Houston.
Already, man.
Yeah, I was a little Pit Expo out there, and then I was just on my way home. I seen all the commotions. Damn. Like I was telling my viewers, shit, I never go to X at this time of the day. I'm usually here at nighttime.
Nighttime party, that's daytime party, yeah.
That's what's up. A lot of people came out, right?
Yeah. It was out for autism, man. Autism.
Oh, okay.
Supporting the kids with autism.
That's what's up.
During the day.
That's what's up.
Yeah. And then they're gonna go to we're going to a bar I work at, La Honda Dallas.
Oh, that's right down. That's where I'm gonna post up at.
La Honda Dallas, yeah. And then after that, we go to Jefferson Boulevard at Daiquiri Blast. We go out there at Daiquiri Blast. You know, family friendly.
Yeah.
Kids invited, man. Get your drink on. Bring your lawn chairs. Cruise.
And where? Oh, out there in
Jefferson, right
Jefferson.
there,
I might go get my son for that.
Right there, man. Right there in front of McDonald's, man. Peter Papa Pizza.
Yeah.
We got a live DJ, man. We got food, kitchen open, man, everything, man. So y'all more than welcome to come out, the viewers, man. That's where it's at on a Sunday. Go out there, join us, Star City Entertainment.
You got IG?
Yeah, Instagram, Star City Entertainment, Gabriel G. Facebook, La Voz.
Yeah, go check my boy out, man. Yeah, but let me walk around. I'll catch up with you later. I'll probably pull up out there
All right,
in the cliff.
Nice seeing you, man.
You too, man.
Nah, mine's in the shop, man. I got this guy who, the owner of this ride right here, from Gainesville. He's on
Gainesville, Texas?
Gainesville,
Yeah,
Texas.
yeah.
The one he's gonna pick up my ride this week and finish it.
Y'all see the flakes?
Yeah, Brown Sugar. This is the name of this right here.
Brown Sugar.
Gainesville, Texas.
77. I wasn't even born yet. Y'all see it. Y'all see the details. He got a big trophy. What he got? What won that? Oh, what? Let me see.
Taking that control on shit and just fucking engraving it. It says liquid don't touch right here.
Yeah, just moving the whole hole. On the Corleones.
Gotta pop that hose off right.
We have to fight all the Mexicans, boy.
They wanna get jumped again.
Part 2. This one might be worse.
Yeah, this
This is gonna be worse.
Guaranteed.
Y'all see the flakes? Let me know if y'all can see the flakes, man. Leave a comment below if y'all can see the flakes on the iPhone. I'm gonna go get me a GoPro this week for sure. My birthday's coming up, so that's what I'm gonna get myself. That way I give y'all some better quality. Yep. Ooh, the Ruchis. Y'all see it? Yeah, we ride Ruchis out here in Dallas, man. We ride everything. Ooh, that one's saying like on some 28. Where? Trying to know about this La Bamba car. This is an old school. Got the camels in the front. Look, hold on.
I wonder if those are the original cigarette cases. Like
Might be. Might be.
I can see Frankie Baz on something, but not this one for sure.
Which one would you? Let me see. Let me see what I would drop. If I had my first pick out of all of them, let me look around. Let me go down this aisle. I already think I know what I would get. Let me see. You got some old school. Which one? The blue one? That one's nice. Hold on, man. It's that 400 SS Chevy. Oh. Yeah, look like some 30s. My man won the trophy. My man won the trophy. I don't know. What did he win that trophy with? Oh, in the van. He won it with the van, y'all. On the 13 spokes. I like this Chevy on the 4Gs. Never go wrong with the Impala. Yeah, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Just give y'all a little something. I don't know, I might pull up to Oak Cliff, give y'all some more footage over there. A lot of people show out there, so I don't know. Y'all just stay tuned, man. You don't ever know what you're gonna get. I'm hitting them switches over there. Hitting them switches. It's a badass bike.
Taking the trophy with him.
Oh, you got one too. Oh, the leg got switches too.
Did he?
Yeah. I just seen him move. I swear, he's got something. Told you. What do you got? That white one back there, the third one, that one's nice too. The one behind this truck. That truck clean too. I was getting everybody else. Y'all see it, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a comment below and leave a thumbs up. It helps me out to push my channel. Let's get it. Y'all see that baddie? All right, man, I'm out of here.